This is a short video to show how easy it is to plug any instrument into the D-reader. Here's the male plug. Just going to take off the protective cap, and holding the male plug right at the end, spin it in the female connector until it seats in a certain orientation. Then turn the bayonet anti-clockwise. It will seat right down and clockwise to lock. And you'll notice that that starts the D-reader, which has a battery voltage of 8.31 volts currently, the unique sensor ID, the sensor type, the temperature in degrees centigrade, and the displacement in millimeters. And that will keep cycling around. To disconnect, turn the bayonet anti-clockwise and pull out. Then replace the protective cap, and that's all there is to it.